Hello my dear students of grade 10. In today's class, we are going to start off with unit 5, that is your arithmetic progressions. Guys, see, this arithmetic progressions is there in class 10th. When you go to your higher classes, you will get harmonic progression, you will get geometric progressions. What is the meaning of progression? Progression means a sequence with a proper order. In class 10th, you have arithmetic progressions, which is one of the most easiest chapters in your 10th standard. So, how do you define an arithmetic progression? So, basically, what is arithmetic progression? It is a sequence with a proper order. What do you mean by order? Order means, let's take two examples. 1, 3, 5, 7. Another example, 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now, can you tell me out of both the series, which one will be in proper order? Obviously, the first series is in proper order, because when we look at the difference here, the difference between 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2. So in this first series, we have a proper sequence of difference here. But bottom series, there is no proper difference. Hence, this is not a proper progression. This is a proper progression. Hence, we call it arithmetic progression. This is the best example of arithmetic progressions. Now, when we look at arithmetic progressions, there are some terms which you have to look first. The first one is, how do you define a sequence or how do you represent a sequence? The sequence is represented like this: A1, A2, A3, A4, dot, 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 AN. What does this dot represent? The dot represents the sequence is continuing, the sequence is going on. AN represents the nth term or the last term. For example, if I have a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, AN is 5. The last term is 5. Now, I'm using the word term here. What do you mean by term? Term means the values. See, A1 is the first term. A2 is the second term. A3 is the third term. A4 is the fourth term. AN is the nth term. What is AN? Nth term. Got it? A1, A2, A3, A4, dot, dot, AN. The second thing here is that common difference. What is common difference? The difference between two consecutive terms is called common difference. In an arithmetic progression or in an AP, the common difference should always be equal. So, common difference, it is represented by small d, and d equals to A2 minus A1. I can do A2 minus A1, I can do A3 minus A2, I can do A4 minus A3, or I can do AN minus 1. All the common difference become equal. Okay guys? The third one is how to find out nth term. Nth term, AN, is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 D, where n is the number of terms, D is the common difference, A represents first term. This A1 can also be written as A, first term. So AN is represented by A plus n minus 1 D. So three things here. First thing, what are terms you understood? Second thing, what is the common difference you understood? Third thing, how to find the nth term. Now let's look at some of the applications of all these formulas here. See guys, exercise 5.1 is extremely simple. Most of the questions are to identify whether the series is an AP or not. To identify whether the series is an AP or not, the only thing you have to know is whether the common difference is equal or not. Exercise 5.1, you can try question number 1, very simple. Question number 2, you can try. Write first 4 terms of an AP when the first term and common difference are given. See, in this question, the first term and common difference is given. Let me do question number, exercise 5.1. Question number 2, part 1. A is given 10. D is given 10. Guys, see, the first term is given 10, the second term is given 10. You have to write first 4 terms, A1, A2, A3, A4. So how will I proceed? My main bread and butter of this chapter is this formula. N equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. If I have to find A1 is already given in the question, A equals to 10, that is A1. First term is given. Let me try second term. A2 in place of n will come 2 equals to A, that is 10, plus 2 minus 1 into 10. What is the answer? 10 plus 10? 20. This is your second term. Similarly, the third term, a3, in place of n comes 3, equals to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Let me put all the values. A value is 10 plus 2 into 10. Answer is 30. Similarly, the fourth term, a4 equals to 10 plus 4 minus 1 into 10. You do it, you will get the answer 40. So what is the sequence right here? The sequence is 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the sequence which you have to find out. So question number 2, you can do all the questions. Check out question number 3. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Can you do it? Yes, you can easily do it. The first term, let's look at the first term. Question number 3, part 1. The sequence is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Guys, see, the first term is what? 3. What is the common difference? 1 minus 3, minus 2. Question number 4, you can omit it. It's not that important. Let us go to exercise 5.2. See guys, in this chapter, exercise 5.2 is the most important one. So after doing this exercise, after I teach you some of the questions of this exercise, I want you to solve all the examples from example 3. You will start from example 3 till example 10. You will do all the questions. Okay guys? Exercise 5.2, question number 1, 2, 3. These are all fill in the blanks type question which will come mostly for 1 mark. I will start from question number 4. Exercise 5.2, question number 4. See, you might ask me, sir, why did you omit so many questions? Because all the questions are similar to each other. You can easily solve it. There is not much difference in all of the questions. You have to find first term, common difference, third term, fourth term, like that, which I have already given you formulas. Let me start from question number 4. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Now guys, in this question they have already said that 78 is a term of the following AP. But which term is 78? That thing you have to find. That means you have to find n. Whenever in question they ask you which term, what terms, that will be n. Okay guys? So let me proceed with the question. Let's see. In question number 4, the first term is given. The first term is given 3. The common difference is 8 minus 3, that is 5. And the nth term is given 78. See, look guys, this is also a very simple question. What is the bread and butter of your chapter? An equals to a plus n minus 1d. This is the main important formula. So you will put in this formula, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put all the values. 78 equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 5. 78 equals to 3 plus 5n minus 5. What is the answer you will get here? 78 plus 280 equals to 5n. What is the value of n? N value is 16. This is the answer. Okay guys, this is how you are supposed to proceed. Question number 4. Question number 5 is similar to question number 4. It's the exact copy of question number 4. So you will do this question. Question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. Guys, see, whenever in question they are asking whether this is a term or not, first thing you should know that they are asking you the value of n. Second thing, n value can never be negative or it cannot come in fraction. You will never hear the statement that there are 22 by 5 students in your class. It's a whole number. So whenever you're proceeding with this type of question, always try to find that n value should always come positive. If it is coming negative or fraction, either your answer is wrong or the way you're proceeding is wrong. Okay? So question number 4, 5, 6 is similar. So out of this I have done one question, you will do the rest of them. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Now this is a new type of question. Before proceeding to this question, I hope you remember linear equation in two variables. Because the basics of linear equation is applicable in this question. The question says you have to find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Now let's see what is given in the question. Question number 7. What is given in the question? The 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. You have to find the 31st term. Given is this one, to find A31. Now, how will I proceed with this kind of question? Let's see. It's given A11 is 38. So solution. A11 with the formula of an equals to a plus n minus 1d. I can write down a plus 10d equals to 38. Can I write like this or not, guys? Please see. A11 is 38. In place of A11, I'm writing it as a plus 10d. Similarly, in place of A16, I can write it as a plus 15d equals to 73. Equation 2. Let me subtract both the equation. Minus, minus, minus. Cut. Minus 5d equals to minus 30 minus 8, 5, 6 minus 3, 3. So what is d value? D value comes out 7. After I find out d value, put in any equation, either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Find out the value of a. Let me put in equation 1. Putting d equals to 7 in equation 1. What will I get? A plus 10 into 7 equals to 38. That is a plus 70 equals to 38. What is the value of a you are getting here, guys? 38 minus 70. What is the answer? What is 38 minus 70? The answer is minus 32. So first term is minus 32. Common difference is 7. Can you find out A31 now? Yes, you can find out A31. A31 will be a plus 30d. That is minus 32 plus 30 into 7. That is minus 32 plus 210. The answer will come 10 minus 2, 8. 10 minus 3, 7. 178 is the 31st term. Guys, this is how you are supposed to proceed in this kind of question. Okay? Okay. Question 7. Question number 8 is also kind of same. Question number 9, very much same. The third term of an AP and the ninth term of an AP is given. Similarly, you will open up both the equations. Which term of the AP is 0? Guys, see. In question number 9, A3 is given 4, A9 is given minus 8. From there, you find out the values of A and D. After that, equate it as an equals to 0. That means take an as 0, equate it with the equation, find out the value of n. Okay? Question number 10 says, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Question number 10. I will directly write down the statement which is given in the question. You try to understand. The 17th term of an AP, the 17th term of an AP, A17, exceeds its 10th term by 7. Can I write like this? The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. You have to find what? You have to find common difference, D. Let me proceed. A17 can be written as A plus 16D minus A10 can be written as A plus 9D equals to 7. A plus 16D minus A minus 9D equals to 7. A cut. 16D minus 9D, 7D equals to 7. D value is what? 1. This is what they are asking. This is your answer. Question number 11. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than the 54th term? Which term of the AP will be 132 more than the 54th term? The AP is given 3, 15, 27, 39. Guys, tell me, what is the first term here? 3. What is the common difference here? 12. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than the 54th term? So what I will find out first here? A54. A54 can be written as A plus 53D. That is 3 plus 53 into 12. That is 3 plus 12 3 is 36, 63. The answer is 639. Okay. Now according to question, what they have said that there is a term, okay, there is a term which is 132 more than the 54th term. 132 more than the 54th term. This will be the equation. N value you have to find. Okay, which term you have to find. So An will be what? 639 plus 132. The answer is coming out 9 plus 2 11, 7, 871. This is the value of An. That means 871 is the term which is 132 more than the 54th term. But the question is not over yet. The question is asking you which term, that means N value you want. The question wants you to find out N value. So how will I find out? Directly equate this as An. So An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. 871 equals to 3 plus N minus 1 into 12. 871 equals to 3 plus 12N minus 12. So answer becomes 880 equals to 12N. So N value will be what? 12 6 is 72, 12 5 is 60. N value is coming out 65. This is your answer. Question number 11, this is your answer. Question number 12 is your homework. Question number 13. See, question number 13, question number 14, both are kind of same. I will do one question out of these two. I will do one question. Let me do question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Guys, see. Multiple of 4 that are lying between 10 and 250. You have to find out how many numbers are there. What is the first multiple of 4 that is lying between 10 and 250? The first multiple will be what? Question number 14. The first multiple is obviously 12. 12 is the first multiple of 4 that is lying between 10 and 250. What will be the last multiple? The last multiple will be 248. This is no rocket science, it's just a bit of common sense. Okay? You can easily do it. What will be the common difference? D equals to what? 4. Since it's a multiple of 4, common difference is 4. Multiple of 5, common difference will be 5. Multiple of 12, common difference will be 12. Now you have to find out how many terms are there. So An equals to A plus N minus 1D. An value put here to 248 equals to 12 plus N minus 1 into 4. 248 equals to 12 plus 4N minus 4. Kata 8. 240 equals to 4N. So N will be what? 60. This is your answer, guys. Question number 13 is also same. Question number 15, no need to do. Question number 16, it's a very simple question which we have already done before. Question number 18, question number 19 and 20, you don't have to do it in your copy also, don't do it. The rest of the questions which I have not attempted here, you will do it in your copy and you will show it to me. This will be your assignment. Now guys, look here. There are around 5 or 6 questions which I have not touched here. See guys, questions are same. Their basic formula is An equals to A plus N minus 1D. How you are going to apply this formula to the question, you try to think a little. If you think, you can easily solve all of the questions. If you are getting stuck, please contact me. Okay? So for today's class, we are going to stop here. I am going to start with exercise 5.3 in the next class. Thank you.